Warm greetings to everyone. This is our project Python based load control presented by Srivarshini and Naveen.
Hi, this is our project where we used Atmel 328P Arduino Uno board and four channel relay with load LED with 100 watts. And this is a software called Jupyter where you can program Python. So we have did a programming using this Python and we have transferred this code through USB to the Uno board. This is our switchboard where you can get 230 volt supply and we transfer the supply to the 4 channel relay and the load. So this software where you can see run button. So you can see run button. After running this the program, we will get an CL monitor. So where it is a on button and off button. So when we on this switch, automatically the load will get glowed. After that, when we click off button, automatically the load will get off. So this is a project where we used Python programming to on the load and off. Thank you.